What's happening? Informal English greetings in action. Hello there, learners. Today, we're going to dive into the world of informal English greetings, specifically focusing on the common slang phrase, "What's happening?" This phrase is widely used in casual conversation, especially among friends and acquaintances. Let's break it down and learn how and when to use it. What's happening is a colloquial way of saying, "What's going on?" or "What are you doing?" In essence, you're showing interest in the other person's current activity or life situation. Keep in mind, this greeting is rather informal, so it's best to use it in casual, relaxed settings rather than formal situations or with people you've just met. Now that we know what's happening means, let's talk about how to respond. Because this greeting is asking about your current activity or situation, you can respond with brief details about what you're doing or plan to do. Here are some examples. 1. Not much, just hanging out. How about you? 2. Just got off work, going to grab some dinner. 3. I'm just relaxing at home today. Remember, the goal is to keep the conversation light and casual. While "What's happening?" is a great greeting to use, it's also useful to be familiar with similar slang greetings. Here are a few others. 1. What's up? This is another common informal greeting, almost interchangeable with "What's happening?" 2. How's it going? This one is more of a casual inquiry about someone's well-being, but can also be used to ask what they're up to. 3. What's good? A more modern slang phrase, mostly used by younger speakers. These greetings are all casual and can be used interchangeably depending on the situation and the person you're talking to. That wraps up our discussion on the informal greeting, "What's happening?" Remember, while it's an excellent phrase for casual conversations, it's best to avoid in more formal situations. Practice using "What's happening?" and similar slang greetings to make your everyday English more natural and conversational. We hope this video has been helpful, and we're excited to see you put these greetings to use. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.